Hi everyone, my name is Abel Grey Cantoma. I'm from GREYTEST Design Consults. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number or you can call me on any of these two numbers, okay? Today I'm going to be giving you an overview, be showing you some overview of Protastructure 2022. I'm going to be opening, if I click on open, I will just pick a sample they have already that comes with the software. It's just to give you an overview of how the interface and some of the things that have actually changed in the Protastructure 2022. Okay, if you all love what you are seeing already, why not just like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of designs. Okay, as you can see here now, this is a sample design that comes with the Protastructure itself. Now there is a whole lot that looks much similar, but there is a whole lot of difference too as well. A lot has actually been added to the new versions. Now you can see the building set out. If you come to modeling, you can see you virtually have almost all of this in the 2021. If you come under your loading, okay, look at, you have your snow load calculator, slab, this. Okay, let's go through this together so that because I just got this now and I'm trying to see how it actually looks like. Okay, if I come to analysis, come to building analysis, is already up to date. Let me assume everything is okay. Let me come to my beam reinforcement detailing. Oh, nice. Okay, if I double click on this, okay, bars do not fit in the cross section. Okay, okay, diagram, let me see. Okay, nice. Well, there's no much difference here. Alright, let's go to our column detail. Okay, these are the columns. Alright, nice. Sorry, let me come through this beam again and see something. Alright. Design reports now. Interactive. Okay, nice. I think this is one of the difference. You can see the 3D of this particular beam. This is the beam I highlighted. Okay, this is the position showing you. Okay, nice. Okay. Oh, nice. Side view. Okay, let me come back there again. Okay. I think in the case of the reinforced concrete, there has not been much difference. But one good thing, you can see you have domes here now. Okay, this one has domes for your steel domes. Okay, so you can achieve that using Protastructure 2022. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, that's very great. Okay, this is one of the difference. Okay, then you can export or open it in Prota Detail to see your detailed drawings, which is great. Whoa. Okay, let's see our detailing, how it looks like. Okay, let's come to beam, story beam for 2. Okay, nice. All right, now let's come to detailing. Okay, let me switch to that of the steel. You want to save changes? No. Click on steel, click on OK. Okay, let me view. Yeah, this is the 3D. This is sample design in Protastructure 2022. It came with it, so I'm not the one who modeled this, please. Okay, let's open this in Protastructure and let's see what we have. Oh, nice. Okay, it came without the connection. Now you can see the Protastructure 2022. The interface is completely different from the 2021. Yeah, the interface is different. We have IntelliConnect here. Let me highlight the whole of this, and let me do column/base connection. Sorry, I'm just going to pick any one and I'll run. Wow, you can see the connections are actually working. Good, nice. So you can see our connections. It's a beam and column connection. Okay, nice. In my IntelliConnect, it's automatically provide the connections for you. Okay, instead of you placing them one by one in your design. Let me go for line. I'm just going to pick any and I'll click on run. Will not be connected. Bottom, this is done. Okay, there are some that could not be connected. Don't worry about that. Okay, I'm just trying to give you an overview of how Protastructure 2022 is. Okay, done. Let's see what we have now. Okay, nice. Okay, you can see the connections now are now showing. Okay, oh, nice. Okay, it's recent beam and beam to beam connection, beam to column connections. Look at, they are by the right hand side here. Okay, so you can see the interface is entirely different from the Protastructure 2021. Okay, this one actually has a complete total difference in the interface. Okay, that compared to the 2021. Okay, so the interface for 2022 for Protastructure is actually entirely different. Okay, and like I said, for this one it has a dome. Okay, for your steel. Look at, we have domes. Okay, oh, nice. All right, let me switch this back to my reinforced concrete again. There is something I want to quickly check. Okay, let me come under design. Let me see for slab analysis. Oh, nice. Here it has changed. slab strip design. Okay, so you can see here it is lined up this way. Your strips, this is strip along X direction 1 2 3 4, along the Y direction 1 2 3 4. Okay, telling you the number of, or the slabs that are actually along your X direction. These are the slabs that are along your Y. Okay, these are the ones along X directions. The one on axis 1, we have slab 7, slab 8, slab 9. The one on axis 2, we have slab 4, slab 5. On axis 3, slab 6. On axis 4, that's on strip, sorry please, strip 4, not axis. The one on strip 4 is slab 1, slab 2, slab 3. Okay, or you can call it panel 1, panel 2, panel 3. Okay, like that. The one along your Y direction, we have, this is strip along my Y direction. This is the strip 1, this is strip 2, strip 3, strip 4. Okay, which is nice. Now I'm telling you the reinforcement bars that is provided on each of the particular slab. Okay, so on each of this panel, like this panel 7, now we have 21H. That's H could it's actually Y10, 21Y10, 225 spacing plus 19Y10 at 250 spacing. Okay, it's nice. This is just like giving you an overview of what you have in your entire slabs. Okay, slab strip design, you can delete and reselect all your steel bars. You can check design, that's only reselect insufficient bars. When you have reinforcement that are, when it's telling you the deflection is not actually sufficient, you can actually reselect your reinforcement, the one that may most likely pass. Okay, oh nice. Okay, if you love what you are seeing, please just like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually 100% free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, in order to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of designs. Okay, let's view this 3D physical. Okay, okay, nice. All right. Okay, it's interesting, right? You can see, let's see what and what do we have. Performance mode. Alright, make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed.